There are no external enemies. All enemies are within. Self-control is the ultimate superpower. Without it, you're nothing. Your inner enemy is yourself, and more specifically, it's the lack of discipline within yourself. You're probably wondering, why does my brain do this? Well, it craves comfort because it feels safe. That's why most folks stick to their hometowns and avoid new experiences. Stepping outside the familiar can be scary, right? The truth is, we're not really meant to be free. We're shaped by our environment, and that affects everything we believe and do. Most guys are trained to follow rules, work hard but not too hard, and spend just enough. They want you to play it safe and avoid risks. The sad part, most people are scared of success because it means change, and change freaks them out. Low self-esteem can really hold you back. Imagine playing basketball and someone says, "You can't guard that guy, you'll never stop him." Ouch, right? That's what low self-esteem does. It crushes your confidence and makes you doubt yourself. It's that annoying voice in your head saying, "Why bother? You'll just fail again." Recognizing it is the first step to breaking free. Even though he felt it wasn't for him, he caved and took a job. For years, he watched his friends thrive in their businesses while he felt stuck. Finally, he had enough, quit, and went all in on entrepreneurship. His parents stopped talking to him, but he pushed through. It took a few years, but he made his first million. When asked about his parents later, he said, "I'm glad I didn't listen to them. If I'd taken the safe route, I wouldn't be here." Years later, he inherited $10 million from them. The takeaway: always follow your heart, not others' expectations. Low self-esteem can really hold you back. Picture this: you're playing basketball and someone tells you, "You can't guard that guy, you'll never stop him." That hits hard, right? Suddenly you feel like giving up. That's what low self-esteem does. It crushes your confidence and makes you doubt your abilities. It's that annoying inner critic, always reminding you of past mistakes and whispering, "Why even try? You'll just fail again." It creates this wall that stops you from taking risks and chasing your dreams. It's tough, but recognizing it is the first step to breaking free. Distractions, cheap fixes, and instant gratification. Sound familiar? Our world is all about keeping you distracted with social media, junk food, and endless entertainment. It's easy to get lost in mindless scrolling or binge-watching shows. Sure, these things give you a quick thrill, but they totally derail your long-term goals. Think about it. Instead of hitting the gym, you end up glued to your favorite series. Or instead of choosing a healthy meal, you grab fast food because it's just easier. Those little choices, they stack up and keep you from reaching your full potential. It's time to break that cycle and focus on what really matters. Feeling overwhelmed by a big goal is totally normal. You want to start a business, but all the planning and execution just feels too much. Or maybe you're trying to get fit, and the thought of hitting the gym and changing your diet seems like a massive challenge. It's like the sheer size of what you need to do leaves you frozen. You know the rewards are great, but the journey looks long and tough. So you end up stuck in procrastination, caught between wanting success and fearing the effort it'll take to get there. Before we move on to the 7 steps to fix this problem, let's clarify one thing. We're not saying that this inner enemy is real hate or evil. It's simply protective programming embedded deep within us due to our upbringing and environment. It's this programming that needs to be fixed. So here are the 7 steps to discipline yourself. Number 1. Set clear goals. Lack of clarity often leads to a lack of discipline. If you don't know what you want to achieve, it's difficult to stay focused and motivated. Start by setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. Write them down and keep them visible as a constant reminder of what you want to accomplish. Having a clear vision of your objectives will help you stay committed and disciplined on your journey. Number 2. Break them down into smaller milestones. Big goals can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel paralyzed by the enormity of the task ahead. Break down your big goals into smaller, more manageable milestones. This approach allows you to celebrate small victories along the way, which boosts your confidence and keeps you motivated. By focusing on smaller milestones, you create a sense of urgency and momentum that drives you forward. Number 3. Build routines and habits. Building routines and habits is key to staying disciplined. Routines provide structure to your day and help you stay on track. Start with small habits that support your larger goals, such as waking up early, working out regularly, or dedicating time each day to your craft. As these habits become automatic, you'll find it easier to maintain your discipline and achieve your objectives. Remember, consistency is key. Number 4. Remove temptation. Identify the temptations that pull you away from your goals and take steps to remove them. If social media distracts you, set specific times to check your feeds instead of mindlessly scrolling throughout the day. If junk food is a weakness, stock your pantry with healthy alternatives and avoid keeping unhealthy snacks in the house. By minimizing distractions and temptations, you create an environment that supports your disciplined behavior. Number 5. Prioritize self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential for maintaining discipline. Get enough sleep, eat nourishing foods, and engage in regular physical activity. Exercise not only benefits your body but also improves your focus and self-control. Make self-care a priority and watch how it positively impacts your discipline and overall well-being. Number 6. Move in the shadows. In the beginning, you won't be very good at what you're doing. Be humble and grow in the shadows. Don't brag about your goals or ambitions to others. Not only will this make you look like a clown if you fail, but it also puts pressure on you to succeed. Growing in private allows you to develop your skills and knowledge without distractions or judgment. Once you're ready to shine, your results will speak for themselves. Number 7. Embrace the pain of growth. Growth is painful. You must embrace the discomfort that comes with stepping outside your comfort zone. It's in these moments of challenge and adversity that you'll grow the most. Develop a mindset that embraces challenges as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. Remember, the pain of growth is temporary, but the rewards of self-discipline and achievement are eternal. By following these 7 steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming a disciplined individual. Remember, it's a journey that requires patience and persistence. Stay committed to your goals, trust the process, and embrace the power of self-discipline.